This section will cover the installation of TODCO side seals, head seal, and bottom seal. When properly installed, the side seals for your TODCO door will keep your cargo dry. First, check to be sure that the rubber seal is properly inserted into the vertical track mounting angle. Make sure it is tucked in behind each lance. If either seal is wrinkled, it needs to be stretched. This will ensure that it doesn't get bunched up as the door operates. First, check to make sure the bottom drive rivet is secure. If not, replace it. Then, slightly stretch the seal so that there is no slack. Next, while keeping the seal taut, secure it with a drive rivet at the top. Once secured, cut off the excess. Next, examine the head seal. Grooves are cut into the ends of these for the door cables. If you see any other tears like these, replace the head seal. Use a ratchet to take out the top brackets on both sides. Then lower the top panel. Feed the damaged rubber out of the extruded head seal retainer located on the top panel. Thread the new seal into the extrusion and tap the end of the extrusion to crimp the seal in place. Trim off any excess seal rubber. Then reattach top brackets. Open the door and examine the bottom seal. If it is not completely intact or missing, replace it. Begin by carefully removing tension from the counterbalance spring. Refer to the counterbalance spring section of this video for specific details. Using a 1/4-inch drill, drill out the semi-tubular rivets on the steel bottom angle, and then the rivets holding in all of the hardware, such as the cable anchor brackets, both bottom fixtures, the lock, and the pull strap. Take off the bottom angle and remove the old seal. If you're installing a new bottom seal on a 2.5-inch puller guard door, you will first have to add a new aluminum bottom seal retainer by pop riveting it to the bottom of the TODCO puller guard door like this. For all other TODCO doors, put the new bottom seal on the bottom angle and carefully raise the angle up and into place like this. Then attach with semi-tubular rivets. Reattach all hardware with TODCO-approved fasteners. See the next section of this video, Hardware Replacement, for specific details. To complete the installation, you will now need to reattach the cables and wind the counterbalance spring. Please refer to both of these sections of this video for specific instruction.